cultivation are high yielding, disease free and genetically pure, which is crucial for successful potato production in regions like Novarelia, Badul and Jaffna areas. Importance of seed certification. What are the importance of seed certifications? First one is farmers can get disease-free and high-quality seeds and reduce dependency on important seeds, potatoes, mainly from India or Netherlands. Seed classes, there are three categorized seeds classes. First one is free basic seeds. Free basic seeds produced under the control condition. Second one is basic seed. Basic seed produced from pre-basic seeds under field condition. Third one is certified seeds. Certified seeds produce basic seeds. Certification process, source materials, disease-free micro-propagated plants or important seeds tubers. Field inspection, field is inspection by officers. Isolation requirements, minimum isolation distance, example 5 to 10 meters from non-certified potato field to avoid contamination. Post-harvest evaluation, tuber inspection for scrap, dry rot, mechanical damage, uniformity in size and disease-free status. Next, seeds testing, laboratory test for germination, moisture and pathogen detection. Seed standards, specific tolerance level for diseases, maximum of type allow, minimum germination around often 80% more. Proper labeling with seed class, variety, certification number and year of production. Next, challenges in Sri Lanka. Lot of challenges in Sri Lanka for produce seed certification. Actually, limitation of local production of high quality seeds. Farmers limitation of high quality seeds. Farmers can high yield, but not high quality seeds available in Sri Lanka in correct time. Dependency on imports due to climatic condition. Next, need for improved cold storage, enough cold room facilities for farmers. Limitation. Next, final limitation of land. Novarelia, Badul and Jaffna area farmers cultivated both